At Mount Sinai Medical Center, our Orthopedic Center of Excellence is nationally recognized as a leader in applying innovative procedures, devices, and materials for the treatment of orthopedic conditions, including advancements in minimally invasive orthopedic surgery. Our physician staff is comprised of some of the country's leading experts, like Dr. Marc Umlas, Mount Sinai's chairman of orthopedic surgery and rehabilitation.
There's nothing in this world that brings me more joy than to have a patient come into my office with a severe problem, and I know that we can help them here at Mount Sinai.
Dr. Umlas has performed thousands of minimally invasive hip and knee replacements over the last 25 years, in addition to developing surgical techniques and instrumentation. He was the first surgeon in Miami-Dade County to perform an MRI-guided custom knee replacement and the first surgeon performing minimally invasive hip replacements right here in South Florida. As a graduate of Stanford University School of Medicine and with surgical training at Massachusetts General, an affiliate of Harvard Medical School, Dr. Umlas offers a wealth of information to his colleagues and is a proponent of the need to customize every treatment to every patient.
And that's a socket.
Dr. Umlas and his surgical staff are equipped to treat a variety of orthopedic conditions that afflict the hips and knees. The ability to utilize various minimally invasive approaches, such as placing a small incision in the front, back, or side of the hip in hip replacement surgery, can minimize the amount of muscle cut and preserve the normal tissue as much as possible, allowing for less pain, quicker recovery, and improved mobility. Dr. Umlas also specializes in knee surgery, both replacement and repair, which is also performed using minimally invasive techniques designed to preserve as many of the natural structures as possible. At Mount Sinai, our commitment to minimally invasive techniques for surgeries on these joints has yielded excellent results, in addition to procedures such as revision joint replacement and joint preservation, deformity corrections, tumor removals, and early intervention for arthritis.
And I know that I can restore their function. I can bring them back to a point where they're walking comfortable, they're enjoying life, and they're doing everything that they want to be doing.
For more information on Dr. Umlas or the outstanding orthopedic team at Mount Sinai Medical Center, just log on to our website at msmc.com.